5 ways to fix holes in pants. Today I'll show you some simple and stylish methods that you can easily do at home. The first method. Your pants have a hole. Here's a simple and pretty way to fix it. First, cut out a round piece of fabric. Draw a small circle on it and place it over the hole. Then sew all the way around along the line you drew. Make the stitches small and neat, just like this, using a simple running stitch. You can use fabric in the same color or pick another color, whatever looks best to you. After finishing one circle, tie a knot to secure the thread and cut off the extra. Then start a new thread to sew another circle. This time only on the top layer of fabric, keeping your stitches even along the edge. Now let's finish the thread. Press the fabric with your hand and pull the thread tight. If you have some small beads at home, add one for decoration. It looks even prettier. Once done, tie a knot on the inside. Cure it and cut off the extra thread. And that's it, the hole is patched. Simple and stylish, right? This method works for both big holes and small ones. The second method. When pants have a hole, first cut a piece of fabric, tuck it into the hole and secure it with a few stitches. Cut out a heart shape using matching fabric or a contrasting color. Use an invisible stitch to secure it. Start a little away from the edge, bringing the needle out from the inside. Then insert the needle close to the last stitch hole. Bring it out, and repeat the process along the edge. This method leaves only tiny dots of stitching visible. When stitching, make sure to pierce through both layers of fabric for strength. Keep the stitches evenly spaced and repeat the process around the heart, preferably using thread that matches the fabric. Continue sewing all the way around the heart to secure it firmly. Once finished, it should look like this. Now let's add some decoration. I'll use small seed beads, in this case white ones. Sew the beads along the edge of the heart where we just stitched. You can sew one bead at a time or two at once. The beads make the repair look more beautiful. Sew the beads one by one closely together until you go all around the heart. Take a look once it's finished. This point. You can also cut small slits around the fabric edge with scissors, being careful not to cut into the stitches. Pull out the raw edges to give the heart a frayed effect all around. Now look at the final result. This way of patching a hole is simple, creative, and beautiful. The third method. When pants have a hole, first draw a small circle around it. Then take a piece of fabric and cure the hole with a few stitches. Next, stitch 5 straight stitches across the circle, keeping them as even as possible. Once finished, bring the thread back to the center point. Now start wrapping thread around the 5 stitches, weaving under and over each one. Continue wrapping until the entire circle you drew is completely covered. When it's done, you'll have a flower shape right over the hole. Next, draw 2 half-leaf shapes beside the flower. After drawing, use the satin stitch method to fill in the leaves. Start from the center, stitch 1 to the left, then 1 to the right, and continue until the leaf is fully filled. At home, you can use this method to fix holes not only on pants but also on shirts, quilts, jackets, or sleeves. Simple and beautiful. The fourth method. If your pants get a hole, don't throw them away. First, find a small piece of fabric and stuff it inside the hole to fill it. Then, take something round and mark 8 evenly spaced points around the hole. Starting from the center, bring the needle outwards. Insert it back slightly to the side, stitch to the first point. Loop the thread and pull it tight. Keep repeating this process. Insert slightly to the side. Return to the center point and continue the same stitch. This technique is called the chrysanthemum stitch, and you'll keep stitching it all around the circle. It works perfectly to cover the hole, and the embroidery looks beautiful. Once the circle is complete, switch to a different thread and again start stitching from the center. Use the French knot stitch to make another round. Here, I wrapped the thread just once for each knot. Keep stitching knots all the way around, then bring the last stitch back to the center. Now add a bead or rhinestone in the middle as decoration and secure it firmly. Take a look at the final result. Isn't it beautiful? The fifth method. If your pants have a hole, don't throw them away. First, mark 6 points evenly around the hole. Start by bringing the needle out at point 1, then insert it back at point 3. Bring the needle out at point 2, pull the thread, then insert it again at point 4. Come out at point 3, pull the thread, and continue by inserting the needle at point 5. Bring the needle out at point 4, pull the thread, then insert it at point 6. Come out at point 5, pull the thread, and then insert the needle back at point 1. Bring the needle out at point 6, pull the thread, then insert it at point 2 and come out at point 1, pulling the thread tight. Keep repeating this in and out stitching pattern until the hole is completely filled. The rest of the steps are the same. You only need this one stitch and the hole is fixed. The finished look is a beautiful 6-pointed star. Isn't it simple and nice? Out of these 5 ways to fix holes, which one do you like the most?